Hi guys, today I'll talk you through how I pollinate my Colocasia flower. Normally we would pollinate the flower during an early night, like 7 or 8 p.m. The one you're seeing here is probably has been pollinated naturally by the plant itself, or maybe help of some insect. But if you want to crossbreed between different kind of colocasia, you're gonna have to do it a different way. You can't let it pollinate naturally. Normally the male flower bloom after the female, so you would have to get male pollen from a different plant to pollinate with the female. The flower you're seeing here is successfully pollinated. You just need to wait for them to be ripe and ready to be harvested. Over here is the flower that hasn't been pollinated. I cut it off so I can show you guys. Now the green part, that is the female. It has some sticky substance to for the male pollen to be attached to it. That yellow part is the male part, and it has the pollen. So if you want to collect the pollen, one way you can do it is to chop off the male part and then just pour it gently into some kind of a plastic bag. The other way you can do it is use like paintbrush to brush it off the male part of the flower into the plastic bag, but do not keep the male part in the plastic bag. You just need the male pollen. And then when we want to pollinate, I'll cut off the sheath of the female part and gently cut it round. You have to be careful not to cut the female flower off, just cut the sheath. And after you have done that, you can use your male pollen that you have collected. Use a brush to brush it on the female part, and after you've done that, you would use plastic bag to wrap around the female part, and then use something to wrap the plastic bag on the bottom, so at least for one night, so there's no insect trying to pollinate on the flower or contaminate it. And also, in case it might rain or mist or fog, this plastic bag would protect your flower. And in the morning or in the day, you can remove the plastic bag. If the pollination is succeed, those green seeds will be bigger and turns yellow, and then when it gets soft, that means it's ready to be harvested.